Are you new to Forex trading and feeling overwhelmed by the number of currency pairs available? Not to worry. In this video, I'll help you discover the best Forex pairs to trade as a beginner. So, I will provide a brief overview of what is Forex trading, just a brief definition, and how to choose the right pairs, and also highlight the top currency pairs for beginners. So Forex trading basically is also known as Forex exchange trading, is the process of buying and selling currencies to profit from changes in exchange rates. It is also the largest financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion. Now, when choosing the right Forex pairs, two things determine the ability of you to select the right pairs. We're looking at volatility and liquidity. Now, when pairs that have high volatility are traded, it can lead to bigger profits as well as higher risks, while pairs that have low volatility are generally safe. Then we look at liquidity. Pairs with high liquidity ensure smoother transactions and tighter spreads, which is crucial for beginners. Whereas pairs with low liquidity, the opposite is true. So the first pair we're going to look at is Euro USD, or you can call it EU. And basically, Euro USD is a very popular pair. It's a popular pair amongst beginners and even professionals. The pair is the most traded, offering high liquidity and low volatility, making it ideal for beginners, and it's got good spreads. Most brokers have got very, very good spreads for Euro USD. Spreads basically are low for Euro USD, which is very good. So spread is just the difference in price between the buying price and the selling price, the base and the quote price. So the base and the quote price, and it is the commission that it's like the difference in spread, right? Is the amount your broker is taking. So out of all the spreads that most brokers offer in terms of currency pairs, Euro USD is the best. Then the next pair we're going to look at is the GBP USD, known as the British Pound and US Dollar, or you can call it GU. And it is slightly more volatile, but it provides good trading opportunity due to its liquidity, and it also has good spread, and you can make good money with GU. The next one we're going to look at is the US dollar and the Swiss franc. And basically, the US dollar and the Swiss franc is known as a safety currency because it's very stable. It's considered a safe haven pair, and it offers stability, which is beneficial for those starting out, especially if you have low capital and you're not very confident about how the market is moving, and you're still yet to gain your confidence as a trader. Then the next one, which is actually one of my favorite pairs, is the USD and the JPY, which is the US dollar and Japanese yen. And it is known for its liquidity and predictable trends. This pair is a favorite among new traders. And one thing about the US dollar and Japanese yen, if it's in a bullish trend, it's in a bullish trend. If it's in a bearish trend, it's in a bearish trend. If it's in an uptrend, it's in an uptrend. If it's in a downtrend, it's in a downtrend. It's got very clear and obvious trends that you can jump in at any time and make good profits and come out. So it's a very, very popular currency pair. It's a favorite amongst new traders and even professionals. Now, the last pair is the Australian dollar and US dollar. Now, it is known for it's known as a commodity pair, and it is heavily influenced by commodities. This pair can be a good introduction to understanding commodity-driven currencies. So that's it, guys. Those are the top 5 currency pairs I would highly recommend for beginners. And personally, out of all these currency pairs I've called out, I trade 4 out of 5 of them. I don't trade Swiss currency pairs. They're just not my favorite. but I trade US dollar pairs, which is the euro, US dollar, the Australian dollar, US dollar, the British pound, US dollar. I also trade Japanese yen currency pairs. They are very good. They've got obvious trends, and they're just pairs that you can jump in any time and they won't let you out. My recommendation for traders is what you can do as a beginner. If you're a beginner trader, is to start with a demo account. So all these currency pairs I've mentioned, you can open a demo account and start trading these pairs to familiarize yourself with them and just to practice. And also, I also emphasize on continuous education. Don't just learn the beginning aspects of trading and say, I'm good to go in the market. I always recommend that you carry on learning and improving yourself and pruning yourself as a trader to become the best, because even I too am still learning. And most importantly, familiarize yourself with risk management. It's important to always use stop loss orders and never risk more than you can afford to lose, even if you're trading with a demo account. So just to recap, the euro, US dollar, the US dollar, Japanese yen, the British pound and US dollar, the US dollar, Swiss franc, and the Australian dollar and US dollar are the best pairs for beginners due to their liquidity and stability. And if you found this video very helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Comment below which Forex pair you plan to start with. See you next time.